What's up YouTube, it's JB coming back at you with another Mini-Z video. So welcome to part 4 of my PN Racing 2.5 mod car build. As you saw in part 3, got the PN Racing AA arm front suspension installed. Now it's time to install the motor mount. So I've got the PN Racing MR2999 motor mount. And I've also got this guy right here. It's the PN Racing 9500 kV brushless motor. So got that ready to go. So let's get to it. Alright, so just finished up the install, the motor mount, the motor, got everything soldered up, got the T-plate on, so everything is looking good so far. Now I wanted to test it, so I went ahead and paired it up with my EX6 radio, and you can hear it come to life. You can hear that little 9500 kV motor screaming in there. So, so far so good. Everything looks great. So I think that puts a wrap on part 4 of this build video. For part 5, stay tuned. We're going to be installing the rear diff, the pinion gear. Then we're going to install the disc dampener set for the top here and get our shock installed, get everything installed on that. And that'll get us pretty close to start doing some test runs. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the build series, and comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, YouTube.